Hi friends! Today we are going to keep on subtracting by decomposing some groups of 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is line up 126 minus 19. This time I'm subtracting from a 3-digit number. So I'm going to line up 126 minus 110 and 9 ones. Notice how my hundreds, tens, and ones are exactly lined up. My tens are lined up with my tens, my ones are lined up with my ones. Now I can draw out my big hole. Now remember, my big hole is how many there are in all. I know that 126 is my big hole because that's the number I'm starting with and taking away from. So I'm going to put my little magnifying glass right there on 126. And I'm going to draw it in my place value chart. 100, 2 tens, and 6 ones. I can clearly see this is 126. Now I have to take away 19. But I don't have enough ones to take away 9 ones. So I need to turn a group of 10 into 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just turned my 2 tens into 1 10, and I turned my 6 ones into, let's count together, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I'm taking away 19 from 100, 110, and 16 ones. So let's start with my ones. 16, take away 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. And I'm left with 7. I have 110. 1 minus 1 is the same as 0. And 100 minus 0 is the same as 1. So now my answer is 107. You are going to do the same exact thing on your Nearpod. You're going to use the drawing tool to help your thinking, but you don't have to draw each of the hundreds, tens, and ones in here, or go over here to do the X and rebundle over here by decomposing the tens. You can do all of that on your own whiteboard or your own piece of paper. So as long as you're showing your work on your own whiteboard, you don't need to take the time to draw it all out on the Nearpod because I know sometimes it can get a little tricky with our numbers. What you do have to do is write the answer right here with your drawing tool. And if it helps your thinking, I would like it if you showed the regrouping over here on the top. So for example, here I have 140 minus 12. So I would want to change these numbers and write the correct numbers up here, or the correct digits. And I would write my answer right here. So you would draw it all out, put your X, write what it has to be instead. After you do all the drawings on your own whiteboard or pencil, and then up here is where you would solve. Okay, have fun.